Can you unplug and unleash your creativity? Let's start fresh with a blank canvas today. Welcome to the Tech-Free Creativity Challenge. I'm your guide, and we're diving into hands-on fun. Gather around. Let's explore the joy of making things without screens. Color everywhere. Imagination unleashed. How about sketching your dream world? Mountains, skylines, spaceships, anything your imagination can invent. Or craft a clever DIY from recycled bits, cardboard robot, wild textures, bold shapes, sustainable creativity. Now watch the magic. Projects come alive from sketch to final. Teamwork buzzing, ideas turning real. Challenge accepted. Share your creations, tag #CreativeUnplugged, and find details in our link in bio.